Hey everyone, welcome back to our Tech Tips series. Today, we're diving into something super important: how to change your LinkedIn password in 2025. With cyber threats on the rise, keeping your account secure is a must, and updating your password is a quick way to do that. Whether you're new to LinkedIn or a seasoned pro, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account on a desktop or mobile app. If you're not, go ahead and sign in with your current credentials. Once you're in, head to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile picture or initials. This will open a drop-down menu. Select Settings and Privacy from there. Now, in the Settings menu, look for the Security tab on the left-hand side. It's usually under the Account section, but LinkedIn might have tweaked things a bit by 2025, so keep an eye out for any updates. Once you're in Security, find the option that says Change Password or something similar. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your current password for verification. Next, type in your new password. Remember, for the best security, make it at least 12 characters long, include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. Avoid using obvious info like your name or birth date. After entering your new password, you'll need to confirm it by typing it in again. Hit Save or Update, and voila, your password is changed. One quick tip: enable two-factor authentication while you're in the security settings. It's an extra layer of protection that LinkedIn offers, and it's free. That way, even if someone gets your password, they won't be able to access your account without a code sent to your phone. And there you have it. Changing your LinkedIn password in 2025 is straightforward and takes less than a minute. If you run into any issues, double-check for LinkedIn's latest updates or reach out to their help center. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next one.